Bonjour! It seems like we're back to speaking French again as we hit the south of Belgium here. And I thought I had found an absolute hidden gem, Dinant. But it turns out that I'm not the only one who found it. It might still be a hidden gem, but it's just not that hidden.
Saturday, it seems like traffic's quite hectic. We're driving into Dinant. Dinant if you're Dutch, Dinant if you're French, I guess. Quite late in the afternoon. Going to a campsite here because it'll give us the option of walking around either later today and tomorrow. So we're going to see how it works out.
We're going to the right. You can just park Millie along the river.
Yeah. Sure, squeeze in, yeah?
Huh?
We're Andre and Lisa, full-time travelers and nomads since 2018. Last year, we bought a camper van in Europe, and after spending most of winter in Spain, we've set off on an epic 12-month, 20,000-kilometer adventure, planning to make our way from the south of Spain to the north of Scandinavia and back to southern Italy. After 5 weeks in Portugal, 2 weeks in northern Spain, and another month in France, we now find ourselves in Belgium for the next leg of our trip. Please subscribe to join our adventure. Bonjour, duckies. Ooh, ever heard of foie gras?
Is that where?
Yeah, well, actually,
These are geese.
welcome to Dinant.
Dinant.
The day's getting later. We pulled into the camp about an hour ago. We had a quick coffee, and it's actually 5 o'clock. So we're planning on staying more than one day, hopefully, but we'll see.
We decided to stay at the municipal campsite here. It's €21 for the night for the two of us, without electricity.
We want to try and get to the brewery. Now, this is a special brewery because this is where the very famous Leffe beer was first made in Belgium. Let's go. Okay, show me the beer. Take me to the beer. Okay, it's quite a hill.
Wow.
We're almost as high as the castle.
Yo, look at the view.
We are here
Beautiful.
for this, the Maison Leffe Bienvenue.
So this is the ancient monastery of the Dominican sisters.
Price includes a visit, beer tasting, and a gift.
Yep. We got tickets. It's an interactive something.
Wow, look, you're first going to learn before you can taste, so we'll see. Beer as an alternative.
Are you supposed to do stuff here?
These are so engrossed in the story. I would have just been happy to go taste the beer.
You gotta learn something.
Ooh, ginger and coriander beer.
Let's smell the cheese.
Doesn't work, but the vanilla's nice.
Oh, let's smell vanilla again. That's so cool. Wow, that's amazing.
Independent and ensured that they could provide for their own food. The first mention of a brewery dates from 1240.
What can I get you, miss?
I'll have a blonde.
Ooh, we're just freshly out of blondes.
Can I have a ruby?
Let's go find a tasting situation. See, I think you can easily spend 2 hours in here, but we have to go now because we only have half an hour to do the tasting. I'm getting thirsty.
Tasting. Do you want blonde or ruby? I think we'll share. Cheers.
So, not exactly at the tasting we expected. You only get like a beer. And not even a
beer
big
each.
beer. So, I would have liked to try more, but they only had 3 on tap here at the moment, which is a bit sad. Oh, it's delicious. Oh my god.
This is so different.
So,
Does not taste like beer. That's a chick drink. See what I mean? Sweet.
yo.
Wait, I haven't tasted
Oh,
this one
sorry.
yet.
It's nice.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like beer. This tastes like beer.
It's delicious though. Yeah, look at it. Oof. Yeah, pink.
Pink.
So with your ticket you get access to the interactive, I guess, display museum / you get a beer, which I think they shortchanged me on, but maybe it's just me. And then you at least get a butt ugly Leffy glass. Ooh, it's actually not
It's
that
actually
bad.
a lovely glass.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful glass.
Not for people living in a motorhome. And then you get some beers to take with you, which I really like because we didn't get the brown, so now we're going to taste the brown. Well, not now, maybe tomorrow. With some delicious snacks.
I think it's good value for the 10
Yes,
euro.
it's not bad.
Not bad, and it's a beautiful place. I would say come here with enough time though, so that you can go through the museum, really see it, and have time to just spend in this garden because it's beautiful here.
We'll wait till they kick us out. I don't know about these brewing brothers, as they call them. I mean, they didn't drink the water.
It was safer and healthier to drink the beer.
They probably weren't very productive because imagine you wake up in the morning and you're like, oh, let me just brush my teeth with some beer. And then I'm going to sit and giggle the whole day. Because I had one beer, now we're going to cycle up the hill.
Yeah, I think we did this in the wrong order. First beer and then cycling up the hill.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay, we gotta go up here. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh yes. Cycling into the jungle. I mean, the Belgium jungle. You didn't know Belgium had a jungle, did you?
You say this way.
Famous last words. 50 meters from here, there should be an old castle ruin.
Awesome.
I think. It's either that or imminent death. I think Mike will have to stay here for a bit. Ooh, look at this. Fake it for Instagram. Let's go check out castle. You ready?
Yes, let's go see. The original was constructed in 1320.
Reinforced defenses within the castle. Oh, the keep. Okay, I get it. So you can see a little bit of what it looks like.
Oh, let's go this way.
Yeah, that's the spot, man. That's the spot.
We can always see Millie.
Oh yeah, let's go check it out. Whoa, what's your step? How do you get down there? Who's gonna make it first? Look at iPhone.
Wow.
And if you really look closely, oh, you can almost see Millie just behind that bush. There's the little island we were at earlier, and that's our camp. How cool is that? Well, it's 8 o'clock. I think that's it for us for tonight, boys.
This is definitely worth coming up here. Not so much for the ruins, but for the view out here.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Back to camp.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dinon! Yesterday we tasted the famous Leffe beer, and today we are right where it all started, at the Abbey.
I knocked on the door, but for some reason nobody opened.
No, unfortunately, you can only visit the Abbey during the summer months of July and August.
Unless you go to church.
Unless you go to church.
And we missed that.
But at least you can see where it all really began back in 1240.
I have no idea when they
We went
had
to the museum.
because they had to make the beer because the water wasn't good enough.
Wasn't drinkable.
Quick stop here at the Citadel. You can just see picking up over the cathedral there, you know. This is a very interesting design, this little onion on top. Now we're not going to go up to the Citadel, but if you want to, entry is 11 euros and you can take the vernacular or you can climb. Apparently the Citadel has quite nice displays, so if that's your kind of thing, it'll give you nice views. But we're too cheap to spend 22 euros just to go up to the Citadel.
When you can cross the other side for free. And seeing as we ran this morning, I don't think we need to climb all these stairs.
She got a stained glass window here though, eh?
Le Seigneur soit avec vous. Et que Dieu Tout-Puissant te bénisse, le Père, le Fils et le Saint-Esprit. Allez dans la paix du Christ.
Good morning, Mr. Sachs.
Oh, Mr. Sachs, I presume?
Well, if you can't find the Saxophone Museum, all you need to do is follow the people, because this is one of the things that's free in Dinon. So you can come in here, it's a very small museum, not going to take you very long, and you can see where Mr. Adolf Sachs was born.
And of course on this side is the Charles de Gaulle Bridge, or Ponte Charles de Gaulle, Ponte de Gaulle. And the story goes that in 1914 de Gaulle was in this area as part of a military thing.
Got shot in the leg.
Oh, and then obviously it was way before he became even close to being president of France. That's why the bridge was named after him. Yo. And there's Mike. We got that lady to look after him. Don't steal him, lady. You can rent these little electric boats for an hour, no license required. There's actually a limited space we can use them, 55 euros for an hour.
So this is it. This is the place that Charles de Gaulle was shot in the leg in 1914.
Not sure this is the exact place, but this is the bridge that was named after him to commemorate it.
Well, they say this was the spot.
They're saying there's
This
a
was
statue
the
of him.
spot. Maybe that was the spot.
So tell us about the rock. Apparently a dragon was slain. I know.
No, the folklore here is a lot less impressive than that. This is Rocha Bayard, Rocha Bayard, and folklore has it that this needle, the pinnacle, broke off when some of the magical horses raced through here to save somebody.
Yeah, dragons.
No dragons, just horses, magic horses.
The pinnacle broke off. What happened to the pinnacle?
Unicorns, because this looks like a unicorn.
Somehow this became a attraction. Not sure why. Famous biscuit of Dinant. Oh, but apparently this biscuit is so hard you can't actually take a bite out of it, and you have to nibble. No, you can't nibble. You have to suck on it, so it can last weeks and weeks. But it's probably expensive. A little biscuit like this is €5, and it's just a gimmick, to be honest.
Yes. That's pretty good.
Okay, it's a very non-Andre Elisa thing to do, but sitting at the water's edge having a Belgian beer, why not? Because I think our days in Belgium are coming to an end, to be honest.
There's a little bit of rain on its way, so we're going to move a little bit further south and look for a nice free spot to just hang out for a couple of days before making our way into new country.
Cheers to Belgium and to Dinant. I like Belgium. We're back soon. It's delicious.